It is my honor today to recognize Miss Kelly Flora as the 2026 Northeast Region Principal of the Year. Congratulations.
I have worked with Kelly over the past 5 years, and she is a transformational leader. She truly has taken Nags Head Elementary School and amplified everything about it. She puts staff first, she puts students first, and she really thrives on building relationships with families and students to make sure that this is a place where students enjoy coming.
We used to think of the principal as the enforcer of the school, but there's been a shift that principals have to be the instructional leader. You need to be able to go in the classroom and you need to build relationships with students and staff, but you also need to provide feedback that helps teachers grow and impact their students at a higher level. Steve Bassnight, the superintendent, was talking about the incredible growth and proficiency gains that have happened here at this school, and that doesn't happen without an instructional leader who's passionate and hardworking for their team.
You have to be yourself. You have to lead as yourself. You have to have the leadership skills to bring along community members, staff, as well as students to work as one around one vision. Ms. Kelly Flora won the local Principal of the Year right here in Dare County, and she made it through the regional interview process to the point where the selection committee says she is the #1 choice for the Northeast.
The award represents that you're the best of the best. You get the opportunity to represent, hundreds, if not thousands, of principals across the state, and so Kelly is one of 9 principals left in the state that could be named the 2026 North Carolina Wells Fargo Principal of the Year.
I interviewed back in November and heard nothing. And so we're in there for our One School, One Author, which is our big launch for this event. And I pull out a sheet from my assistant principal who gave me a heads up of, look up there, there people are walking in to support you and celebrate you. And I was absolutely floored.
Ms. Flora leads with humility and trust. Her leadership empowers educators as drivers of innovation and improvement. Under Ms. Flora's leadership, Nags Head Elementary has seen improvement in attendance, behavior, enrichment, participation, and student engagement. Her superintendent, Mr. Bassnight, shared, Ms. Flora has not only changed the trajectory of Nags Head Elementary, she has built a model of continuous improvement and collective success. Her leadership reflects the best of what it means to be a North Carolina principal: visionary, courageous, collaborative, and deeply student-centered.
I have to say that I would not be standing here today if it wasn't for all of these people in this room. We have all been in this together, and I am so proud of them. So I'm here to represent the hard work and dedication that my staff, they have worked so hard for me, and I am so proud. So thank you all. I so appreciate you.
Your dramatic increase in student growth, your dramatic increase in overall proficiency is a tribute to what each and every one of you do every day. And it's a tribute to her ability to keep you moving in the right direction.
The job of a principal can't be done by a single person. You could hear that she had built capacity, that she had built trust among her team, and that passion came throughout the interview process as part of what led to her being recognized as the Northeast Principal of the Year.
This is the biggest honor I've ever had in my entire life, and I am just hopeful that I can represent Nags Head Elementary School and Dare County schools to the best of my ability.